How to use the Wrike document editor. Using the Wrike document editor allows you to edit attachments directly in Wrike without having to download them. And here is how to do it. The first step is to log in into your Wrike's account. And the second thing or second to do is to install the document editor. If you have not installed it already, you need to install the document editor. And you can do this by right clicking on an attachment in Wrike and selecting edit. For example, now, after logging into your account, I would move to a space where I have an attachment added already. So wait for it to load. Then after selecting the tags, at the right side of the screen, the tags would be displayed. So once that's loaded, you can see the tags page, and then you can see the attachments here. So you can just left click on the attachment, click on edit. So after clicking on edit, if you've installed after clicking on edit, the a box will be displayed as you can see, and then you'll be asked to install the Wrike document editor. So click on download for it to be installed, and then you wait for it to be fully downloaded. Now, after it has been downloaded, you can now right click on an attachment from the attachment list in Wrike, select edit. After selecting it, document editor will open the file in the default system editor for that file type. Alright, so now that I have it installed already, I'll just right click on the attachment this way, and then I'll be redirected to the necessary parts or necessary place where the process would continue. But before then, wait for the page to load. So once it has loaded, this is how it looks like. So once that's loaded, this is how it looks like. And here you can see at the top part, top left side of the screen, you can see um you can see the write up which says welcome to Wrike Pro. First time using Wrike Pro. See, if you want to, you can continue. If not, you can just click on skip. And then you can now go ahead and edit this attachment using the Wrike's editor. And then once you're done, you can just go to the top right side of the screen where you can see the edit option, you can see the log file, then you can see download. So once you are done editing it and you're sure you're good to go, you can just click on download. Also, at the lower part of the screen, you can see some other options, some other things that you can add to edit the attachment the way you want. Whichever one, just try it out. Then you go ahead, click on download, and then just like that, the the document editor will automatically upload it as a new version of the original attachment in Wrike. All right, so it's very cool. Ensure you try it out. Thanks for watching.